Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo and today I'm very excited to share one of my favorite comfort dishes that is typically made in winter, the turmeric curry. So I'll be using this fresh turmeric. So it's in season in winter and fresh turmeric is very high in curcumin. In fresh turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Warm and immunity boosting and known in India as Haldi Ki Sabzi. So in this dish I will be using fresh turmeric root which is widely available in winter months. So the best news is this dish has winter benefits which helps in remember it. Turmeric supports the immune system and helps fight off common winter ailments like cold and cough. So let's see how it's done, guys. Guys, remember turmeric can stain your hands, so it's a good idea to wear gloves while chopping fresh turmeric. The turmeric is perfectly peeled now, and now we'll chop this into very fine pieces. I chopped the turmeric root as fine as I can, and here's how it looks now. Three cardamoms, 3 cloves, 2 bay leaves, half a cup of freshly crushed ginger garlic. Add 1 cup of fresh turmeric roots. Make sure to cook until the turmeric is very soft and well cooked. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes for all these ingredients to be well cooked. It's been 10 minutes and the turmeric is perfectly cooked. Fresh peas. 1 cup of freshly peeled peas. Give it a nice mix. Cook this for another 5 minutes. Take 1 cup of yogurt and whisk it. Coriander powder and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add the yogurt mixture that you prepared. Make sure you're stirring it non-stop. We will cook until the ghee, you see the ghee is floating on top like this, and this is perfectly ready to get off the heat now. The turmeric curry is now ready. We'll finish it off with some coriander as part of garnish, and voila! So my favorite time, tasting time. I can't wait to dig into this one because this is my favorite recipe and I can eat this all day long. Perfect. This is a stunning dish, guys, for winters. Do try it. You can have it with rice, roti. It is delicious. It is yummy. So today's 2 cents is obviously on turmeric. So the best quote on turmeric is wellness in every sprinkle. One more amazing thing on spiritual front on turmeric is, so turmeric is associated with sun, spiritual protection and energy cleansing. Amazing, right? So until I see you guys next Saturday at 9 a.m. PST. Bye-bye.